Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to add a magnified glass in a design in Photoshop. In this final design, what I've done is added a magnified glass from Google Images, created a drop shadow, magnified the top left corner of the letter G, and also faded it to seem seen through the glass. Let me show you how this is done. Let us add a magnifying glass. Go to File, place Embed, pick the magnifying glass, click on Place, press Enter to place it. Go to the Control panel. Let us rename it to magnifying glass. Let's drag to the left, rotate it. Since our magnifying glass is hiding our text layer, let us change its blending mode to multiply since its background is white. Let us reposition it and scale it. Press T, Command T on Mark to shift to fully transform. Drag on one of the corner handles. Press Enter to apply the scale. Let us add some color. Go to the Layers panel. Click on the plus icon at the bottom to add a new layer. Let us call it Lens. Pick the elliptical marquee tool. Marquee the inside of the lens while holding Shift. Use the spacebar to move it aloud. Make sure you cover the entire inside of the lens. Let us fill it with black. Alt Delete, Option Delete on a mark since black is a foreground. Control D, Command D to deselect. Let us drag the lens layer below the magnifying glass. Change its opacity to 7%. Let us add a drop shadow. Click on the magnifying glass to make it active. Add drag to make a duplicate. That would be Option Drag on mark. Let us rename the layer to shadow. Since our magnifying glass is a solid layer, the basic shadow effect wouldn't work. Go to Effects, Drop Shadow. As you can see, the shadow drops allow the block. Let us cancel. Let us apply it the old school way. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Apply a blur of 4. Click OK. Hold Ctrl Shift and press the drop arrow once to drop in 10 pixels. Press the light arrow to move to the light in 10 pixels. That would be Command Shift down arrow, Command Shift light arrow on the mark. The final thing is to magnify the G. Click on the background layer. Pick the rectangular marquee tool. Marquee around the letter Get in. Go to Edit. Copy. Let us now paste it inside our lens layer. Click on the lens layer to make it active. Control click on the thumbnail to load it as a selection. That would be Command click on mark. Go to Edit. Paste Special. Paste into. That loads it into a new layer. Let us name our layer to Big G. And also drag it below our lens layer. Press V to switch to the Move tool. Let us scale it. Press Ctrl T, Command T and mark to shift to fully transform. Drag on one of the corner handles to around 130%. Let us reposition it. Press Enter to apply the scale. Let us fade the color of G so that it feels seen through the glass. If we change its opacity to 80, that will fade it, but unfortunately, the original G will see through. To work around that, let us use the Levels adjustment. Go to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Change the output level to around 50. Let's try 30. Click OK. And there we have it, how to add a magnifying glass in a design in Photoshop. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.